back to Urban Rhino Tutorials. Today I want to show you how to create a tassel component to hang on a beaded strand necklace. So if you are wanting to see how to actually make this part, if you watch the wrap around bracelet tutorial, which I will link to this video below, it's basically going to give you an overview of how to create it. So this was made to be a bracelet that wraps around your wrist 4 times, but it is obviously essentially the exact same thing as a necklace. So what I'm going to do is show you how to make a tassel with a little beaded segment that will hang from the bottom here. So let's scoot this out of the way. What you're going to do to start is you want to pick like a feature stone or bead. So this could be a rhinestone bead, it could be an actual natural stone if you want to use that. And then you're going to attach it with an eye pin. So an eye pin right here, see? And again, if you're not familiar with some of these materials, make sure you check out my jewelry making basics videos, and I will go over basically what an eye pin is used for. So you slide the eye pin into the bead, and right now I have too much of that eye pin sticking out. So what I want to do is essentially cut off part of that so that there's about a ½ inch sticking out. So I'm going to use my wire cutters, cut that, and then I'm going to use my round nose pliers, and I'm going to loop my wire of my eye pin so that I now have 2 loops, and I'm going to just make sure that they are even. So I have a circle loop, here we go, hold that there so you can see it, sticking out of each side like this. So set that part to the side. Now you're going to make your tassel part. That's just going to roll around everywhere on me. So I have a tassel, I have a couple bead caps, so I'm going to decide which one I want to use. I'm thinking that this one might be too open for this tassel. Like when I put that tassel in, it just looks like there's too much of a gap, whereas this one, it fits pretty snug. So we're gonna use this little one. From here, what you're gonna do is grab your second eye pin, open up the eye pin loop, and you're gonna hook that loop onto your tassel. So at the top of your tassel where you have a little knot, just want to kind of try to slide this in there somewhere. Sometimes it's easier said than done. Let's get it. Come on. There we go. Okay. Once you have it hooked through, close your loop back up. Like that. Okay, so now I have that part. From here, I'm going to slide my eye pin through my little cap, bead cap. I'm going to take my pliers and pull it to make sure it's through really well. So this is what I have right now. And right now, the bead cap is going to slide. So I'm going to repeat what I did with my little beaded segment. I've got too much of this eye pin sticking out. So I'm going to cut it so that there's about a ½ inch sticking out. I'm going to take my round nose pliers again, and I'm going to make a loop. That loop will hold your cap down on top of your tassel. I'm going to straighten this out just a little bit. There we go. So this is what I am left with here. So Now all that's left is to attach this to this. And in order to do that, I'm going to take a jump ring, open up the jump ring, and students, remember to open it with 2 pairs of pliers and twist it. Don't pull the jump ring apart. I'm going to hook on my beaded segment like that, as well as my tassel, and I'm going to close that up. So now I have this like this. And then from here, I'm going to find the center point of my beaded strand, my necklace here. So right down here, and I'm going to hook that on. So to do that, I'm going to take my pliers and again open a jump ring, hook on the beaded segment part, find that middle point, and close it up. So just like that. So pretty simple. Again, if you have any questions about working with eye pins, jump rings, crimp beads, anything like that, or if you want to see the video on how to actually make this beaded strand, make sure you check out the wraparound bracelet tutorial for this, or my jewelry making basics videos for those other topics. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course subscribe to our channel.